Good morning, guys. We're here. Another beautiful morning. Sun is coming out. Yeah. Good morning, Mokko. How are you? You good?
Good morning, my lovely people, and welcome to Mokko's yard. I arrived late last night and this is my first day. It's going to be a rainy day, but that won't stop us to explore the farm. So first thing first, Ratty showing me the farm and its progress from the last time I was here. So on this episode, you will get to see the raw footage of this weekend. I spent a lovely time at Ras Kitchen, hanging out with Ratty, hiking to the slavery house, and Mokko showing us his eggplant recipe. So sit back and enjoy this episode of Uncut Country Lifestyle.
Yeah. Alright, there, let's go. Morning!
Mosquito. Yeah, nice big one.
Oh, wow!
The trees are so small. Small one, small one. Small one again.
Yeah. And look at those big cabbage. Hey! Guess we're gonna have cabbage for breakfast.
Look at this one. This one, look how many it's got. 1, 2, and 3. Also 3. Look. This one got also 3. 3 of them. 3 in 1. And pepper.
Scotch bonnet?
No.
No.
I'll show you one down here. It's gonna be gone. It sounded like a chop up. No.
So all these green, chop it.
Chop down.
Right. This farm looks so different from last time video, right, people? It looks like I'm on a different farm. It's so bush up. A banana.
Planting in the tree.
Planting in the tree. Oh, there you go. Banana.
Down here. Yes.
Look how big this grew.
Yeah. I can show you one at the yard what I got.
Yeah.
Taller than all the houses. Look at this cotton. Look at this.
Scotch bonnet?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice green one.
Nice.
And you got some little small ones coming up.
Look at it.
I'm gonna try one. Let's see. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna burn your tongue. Not hot.
No.
No?
No. Cause they are small. But only when the seed is inside of them. Yeah.
Oh, true. That is true. So, yeah.
And this is all cane over here. That big tree over there is cassava.
Cassava?
Yeah, the big
Oh,
one
yeah.
right there. And all those the big
Okay.
tall one. But bending over sitting in the grass.
The cane is ready?
Yeah, we got cane. Ah, these mosquitoes are. Look at that cane walk over there. Look, I show you. Only one cane make this.
Oh, but that one is castor. See over there, the little green.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know this is only one cane.
This is one cane?
Only one cane. This was a cane walk here.
Yeah.
And Mokko burn it down. And he plant some peanut here. And
Oh.
then after this one, he leave this one here. And then it goes drop on the ground. And then it's like big cane. And that's the walk of a one cane.
And where's the peanut? Goat eat him. Because I actually never seen the peanut. Oh, I showed this. Wow.
That sounds nice.
See, people, this is so good.
Oh, one more.
see people, peanut. Wow. So, them ready or they not so ready?
Yes, sir.
They ready?
Wash them off in the river so they can get clean.
Oh,
So you can break them.
okay. Alright, I'll wash them.
But they are ready.
I smell the peanut and the dirt. That's quite some work, getting those peanuts.
This is the last farm. This is the last farm. We get out of here already. And then we got more. And then it bear back again.
Oh.
That's what it is. And then the goats eat it down. And that's why we got a little bit for the goats.
Oh. Worm took that one. No?
Those are holes. We found this up already and find peanut. Quite. It's full of bucket, but not all the way up. And we dropped some in here. And then, because we didn't find all of them, because the guy was working on Mokko farm, he didn't know what was this. He think this was bush, and he chopped them down and left a little bit. So we don't know what it was.
Oh man.
That guy chopped them down.
So he chopped down the peanut. Never know that it's peanut him chopping down.
No. I come through here sometimes looking for peanuts.
Small. This is so cool. This is so cool. Peanut, yes. They're actually in the ground. So you pull out the plant and then you get those peanuts. So we're gonna wash them.
I thought these was up.
No, we have more.
Oh, I forgot. Some yesterday.
What's that?
There we go. I got one. Copies.
Copies?
Yeah.
Show me.
This one.
Oh.
I also got a green one, but that's not really yet. One. When I said, oh, it's gonna be down, I thought you go.
Yeah. I was like, what? Why would you chop down everything?
We're not gonna chop like this. Yeah.
No, this
Oops, I
thing.
lost a peanut.
Uh-oh.
No fruits is down there. And you see that banana thing?
Yeah.
If I chop that down right now, never grow back.
Oh, because it bare already?
Yeah. But if I go like this now, I chop this one down, you just see it starting to grow back.
He's like, hold on, I haven't bared yet. I'll come right back.
Yeah?
Look at this flower.
Yeah. That's pumpkin.
Morning. Oh, wow. This is cool.
Yeah, we got 3 of them.
Nice.
Eat them.
The bird?
Yeah. Bird eat plantains.
Oh, so you leave those
Yeah.
and shade them and
Yeah.
protect them.
Yeah, from the birds. But they eat them. See, especially the blackbirds.
Yeah.
They just climb on them and go, nom nom nom.
Yum yum.
Head back to the yard. Well, let's wash these.
Yes.
We're washing that one.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna wash our peanuts. Oh, you lose your peanut or your slipper?
You have to go. That's where the bush is. You're gonna go where
yeah.
Look, I go like this. The way
Oh, yeah. Right.
don't go down the river. Stop.
Yes, people. I was like putting it right into the stream. Well, that's not smart. Right here, where the stream is soft, so those peanuts not running out of your hand.
And you can go like this also. Just go like that.
All right, pretty clean. I'll give it one more wash here.
Let them go and check them out. Look. Yeah, let them go.
Here we see the noonie tea, which I always drink.
That will never move.
That's it.
I'm not talking about the river. The river can move it, but I said it will never grow taller. It will
Oh.
stay like that. So much for the yard.
Oh, nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect.
You bet it's a car.
Oh, yeah.
No,
I wonder
7.
if peanut in there. Peanut in there?
Yeah, peanuts is inside.
Good morning. Miss, morning. Good, good.
What you know?
Got peanuts.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah, all right.
Yes, that's right.
Fans are saying, where is Cuppy? Where is Cuppy? He's right here. Oh, doggy's sleeping. Hi. Yay. Hi. And they always ask about the dogs. Are the dogs there? Here. They ask about the dogs.
See that hole up there?
Yeah.
That's some babies inside.
Really?
Yeah, this is the mama.
Mokko, look.
No, we got some peanuts
Peanut.
and coffee.
Peanut and coffee.
You know, I never saw peanut like this. I didn't actually even know where they come from. The only way I just buy peanut, but I never really know how they
You
grow.
can buy them and plant them.
You can buy them and plant them too.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes,
You
man.
buy them and plant them.
Yes, man. I buy them and plant them. You know. Buy the raw peanut.
Mm-hmm.
I go to buy it anywhere.
Yeah.
No patch and just plant them anywhere.
Anywhere, and they grow.
And they grow. And give you peanut. But I will eat.
So it's not a seed, it's just the
No,
peanut
we
itself.
got a wallet.
I did have a whole heap, one bucket, you know.
All right. Time of truth.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh yeah, you got something.
Oh yeah? Oh, same one where they plant up a higher heights? Freshest peanut I ever had. Right out of the... Huh? Oh. Good. Very fresh, like crunchy.
Awesome. This one carry 3.
Oh. You try one? Oh, you don't like peanut? You like peanut? You allergic?
I hate those ones, but you see ones in the bag?
Yeah.
I like those ones.
You like those? This is it.
This one is kind of flat.
This one tough. Can't even open this one.
This one is so soft. I only just go like this with my fingers.
Oh. Oh, this one's softer.
Ooh, I got a big one.
Oh, yeah.
You got 3. That's a lot.
That's a big one.
I got a tough one.
Cannot.
Yeah, they can.
Cannot. Let's see. Good morning, Mokko.
Yes, yeah.
We're back. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yay. Nice. Ah, I got more peanut.
You see them now?
Yeah.
You cook them with the, like when I cook rice. Rice and peas. With
Chocolate. Oh my god. You have a lot. Look at this. Nice. They ready?
Yeah.
Ready. It's ready?
Oh, that sky don't look ready yet. That's white. That's rain coming.
Yep.
Excuse me. That was easy. Pull off.
Open it.
I got it open.
Aye, nice. Mmm.
I'm gonna get one for myself.
Yeah.
I just gonna go over here. You can follow me.
Mmm. Guys, there's some rainy clouds over there. What? More? Oh my god, people. I thought this is, look at, guys.
Yeah, this one you call heaven.
This is yo, chocolate heaven. You know, recently every time I saw a chocolate tree, they were all rotten. So really, this is the first time I see so much good chocolate.
Yeah, they are all ready.
And they're all ready. Whoa, look at this one. This is huge.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a nice.
Mmm. Yo, these are very big actually.
Nice.
Well, it's gonna rain, but that's fine because I can just eat those chocolates. So good.
Any amount you want.
Yeah.
They are free.
Until your favorite chocolate. And Ratty is climbing the chocolate tree because he wants to get a different one. Oh. One right next to your head.
Ouch. I know. But I hurt my hand. I
Uh-oh.
think I sprained it or something.
When you go so it hurt?
No. Hurt a little bit.
I think you'll be alright.
Woo! Oh, yeah.
You want me hold it?
Huh?
Or you open it? Nice. You taste good?
Balancing.
Yeah, you're just up there sitting.
Some people would already go boom on the ground.
You like me.
Some people just already hit the head again right on here, and then on the ground. You look so small down there.
Yeah.
What is for me? I'm going over here. I want to hang out on the monkey branch.
You're well comfy.
Yeah. I like over here better. Because if I fall, I don't eat any limbs.
That is true.
Yeah.
But don't fall. No?
No.
Alright, you come down?
No.
Yeah? You got it? Alright, good. Upside down. This don't look comfortable.
I'm gonna go for a walk. Planting.
Yeah. Yay. What's this one?
Is lemongrass and rosemary.
Ooh, nice. Lemongrass.
And rosemary.
Cheers, people. Lemongrass and rosemary. Ah, this tastes nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't want to hear that hurt you now, but I can rosemary.
Yeah. Rain is falling. Blessings from the sky. Hey guys, but now I have the right shoes. Yes! Not like last time. Look at my shoes. I have the right boots. Rain, you can come down. Ratty? I come after the rain. So nice. I love the sound of the rain. That's why I slept like a baby, because it was raining last night and then you hear the rain on the sink rooftop. Best. You have to look at those puppies another day. When it, no, I said look at them and the rain stopped.
Mama is there now.
Oh, she's there.
She's outside.
She's outside. So how many puppies?
Four.
Four.
Two boys, 2 girls.
Two girls.
I cannot wait for breakfast.
Oh, me too.
I don't know when it's gonna be ready. Really cool.
Oh wow! I almost can lick my hand here. Why this is so little? Can do 4?
You gotta go.
1, 2, 3,
I
4.
just gotta go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Over there, now.
Try again.
Alright, I just have to go off, and when I'm coming down, I gotta go. I gotta go 1, 2, 3, 4.
You have to clap faster. And you- 1, 2, 3, 4.
I go so well.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No.
I got 2.
3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey!
What you doing right there?
Eh? Was it 4?
That was for the other video what I said. All of you is not thinking about
All people, I got my snack. I won, and he remembered. Actually, didn't even remember. Thank you.
No,
It-
this is... Well, I got it.
Ratty, stick to his word. My snack, I won. Yes, and this was, if you don't know what we're talking about, we had a bet about Cinca Bible and aloe vera, and he said it's not the same. I said it's the same, and I said if I am right, he has to give me a snack, and vice versa. So here he gave me my snack because I was right. I will leave this video in the link below so you can see it. When we were actually at higher heights and debating about the aloe vera. So actually, all the subscribers who said Ratty is right, you guys have to send me now a coffee.
Was right.
Yeah, a lot of people were saying no, Ratty, Jessie is right, but some people were
What
saying.
about one? What said you are right? What they did?
Well, you would have to give them chips too. No. No, but everybody who was wrong, they should send me. I will leave that link in the description below, guys. So you who said Ratty is right, you owe me a coffee. Yeah. You drink coffee?
No, it must be crazy. I should order for breakfast this morning. Breakfast this morning.
What are we going to get for breakfast?
I don't know.
Cabbage?
I think cabbage and sausage. Not actually.
No.
Sausage.
With some wild yam. Wild yam nice, eh?
Not yum.
No wild yam?
No, it's not quite a gully. If you slip,
It's just steep.
No, it's not that. There's some coach there. Coach. So if you slip and fall into those, you'll go.
Ooh.
So we didn't want to go down farther. Till the place is clean up.
Clean up, yeah.
If it's not clean up when we fall in those, 2 days, 3 days.
Hey, that would make you could create a new dance.
And don't make me start going like this.
Yeah. From breadfruit dance to pineapple dance, you can squeeze that.
Oh, you know look at the front dance? I watched it already. We did it at the school the last time.
Really?
Yeah. There was a lot of people.
I don't even know how the entire dance goes.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You gotta go
You have it
down.
on video?
Yeah. You gotta go down and come back up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then no more than that.
Everybody remember me friends. 2018. How do you say?
What's that? A guest book?
Yeah.
It's full.
I think so.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, they're so small. 4 of them. You go down there and give them? Yeah. You wanna see one? You wanna hold one?
I don't want to.
The mom are not gonna bite you.
You go down there and have your puppies? Yeah? You go down there and have your puppies? Aww, look at your puppy. Oh, it's so cute.
He's a boy.
It's a boy?
He's a little boy.
Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You take good care of your boys.
You
Yeah?
don't got teeth yet.
No. Oh, this is so cute.
They still got teeth. But yeah,
It's
this,
4, oh yeah, 2 black and two
No,
white
look.
one.
you see, over here was so, this was deeper.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But
So how she go in there?
but the landscape happened.
Hmm.
Yeah, you see those 2 dogs down there?
Yeah.
They help her dig it out. Not the big ones.
They help her dig it out?
2 small ones.
Yeah.
They help her dig it out and she got babies inside. And
This
this
is
was
so
bigger.
cute.
This was
Yeah.
bigger. But the landscape happened.
Hmm.
They can see now. They finally can see now.
No, you put them there nice, right? Yeah.
2 boys, 2 girls.
Hmm. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, yeah, them. They're fighting over the bed.
Oh, yes. They soon crawl out. Yeah?
They hear them?
And trouble you.
They're going. They're fighting over bed. This one wanna go on this side, another one is on that side. They're grumbling. But there's no more thing over there. Into the river?
Yeah, let's ask Mokko if it's okay. Because it was raining. But ask Mokko if Mokko. You're cute. You're cute. Yeah. It's for dinner. One chop. Oh, this got eaten. Bird eat it.
Bird eat. Bird happy eat.
Yeah, true. What's up? And there.
No, dry it
Nice.
down here. No trouble, no trouble. No one to see chop out, brother.
Sure. Are you taking it?
Yeah, we'll look up and make the video.
Yeah, we can't wait. I'm too heavy. Too heavy.
Go for yard.
Yeah.
So,
People, planting. Yeah. It's gonna be for dinner?
no.
No.
Breakfast now.
Oh, breakfast. Yeah. Nice. Hold it.
Hold up on it. Yeah.
Heavy.
Make a picture.
Heavy, right?
Yeah, make a picture. No?
Whoa.
Hey! Come eat out of the plant.
You can have it. But we don't want
Hey,
it.
put it down.
We don't want it. You can have it.
Yeah, guys, you want the plant?
That can stick up some janga. Alright guys, let's see if we can find something. Sure about this weather, but let's see. Let's see. If not, we have to abandon this mission and then try again tomorrow. If rain will come down again. Yeah. You know already? Ratty like, Jessica, don't freak out. But the water is cold. You know me? I gotta be tough, girl. No. We have to find a banana leaf and hide in there. Go for your vest. Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
go this way. This one's another river. And we got a big one. And this river too. Wanna check
Go for your
that?
vest. Go for your vest. Just in case.
I'm not going in the water.
So how we gonna catch him?
I'm just gonna stand close to the rock and go like this.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go
Alright.
in the water.
Alright. To try tomorrow, but tomorrow we can try and go in the water with a mask. And see if
You
we
got the other one?
yeah,
Oh,
and see if we see any.
that's
Do like the eel still. Pick him up and then fry him. I see one video the other day. They fry the eel. I say it tastes actually nice. There we go. With the rain. We need a banana leaf. What kind of leaf this?
down there.
Huh? Let's go there. It's okay, shelter. Shelter. Ooh, look at frog. There's one here. You see him? Look. I ain't gone.
Oh, you got it.
Cut it. Knife.
Got a knife?
Yeah.
I never I know you got one.
You want cut one too?
Yeah. I can get the spray right there. And I'm gonna cut it right.
All right.
Better than the rain.
We have shelter. Mm. Huh?
No, I said if you're going to look for some mommy.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy apple?
Yeah.
We never see them.
Yeah, they're out on the road
Oh.
by the river. Look, you see that tree over there?
Yeah.
It's just like that, and they just fall.
We can go and look for them. I like mommy.
All right, but it's not in the river. It's on side.
And yeah.
All right. It's a tall truck, so you can drive.
truck?
So you can drive down the river. You drive inside the river.
That's a big truck.
Yeah, taller than the mountain here. Look. See? You see if you come by the river.
Yeah, rain or shine, we're checking out the river.
I get one of them to stand like that.
Mm.
I wonder if I saw a mommy floating down.
I would catch it.
I would just jump in there and get it.
Me too.
I got one at the yard.
I saw it. Yeah. Wrap up in a plastic.
When I go back, you want these?
Yes.
Alright.
I love mommy.
I made macaroni for it. I can also for the mom.
Yeah. But the seed is very big
Yeah.
inside.
You see that same thing what I'm doing?
There. Crayfish now.
You see what I'm doing now?
Should we try look where? Over here? Or
I don't know.
you're
I
not
think
sure?
we can go.
Where did they catch?
They catch over there.
Further down?
Yeah. But the water's kind of rough now.
Down there.
Yeah, the water's kind of rough. Oh no, I hate it. Yeah. And this side is cold.
Alright people, we abandoned the mission and we're coming back tomorrow morning. Yeah, but we have a new mission now. We're gonna find some mommy. Yeah, mommy is the lunch. No crayfish. There, let's go to the shop. People, it's a lovely afternoon. It's raining and we were like, let's see what the river does look like. Mind you, hurt yourself. Very good. Good job. So all we got to see is a frog.
Open the same place with the mom. There's a waterfall. When you got some crabs, like some snacks. Some snacks. Some crabs about this big.
Real frog, mud frog.
No, not big. Not big. Small crabs.
Alright. It's a beautiful day. I love it.
Every time you keep saying that.
I keep saying that because
And then
we never see this shit. See? Should we look?
you saw it.
Almost fall over this
But you saw it.
bar wire. I know, but I was talking with the camera. Almost fell over people
That's your leg.
and cut my leg. Yeah, I wonder if me cut it
Because me and I was falling, I would go like this. And then my father would jump over.
and jump over. We exchange our banana leaf umbrellas to modern umbrellas. Toot, 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 toot. to show me the mamey tree. I love mamey, people. It is so good. So actually, that would be quite exciting if we can get some mamey, because we didn't get no crayfish. Oh, I see it over there. Isn't that rotten?
No.
Yeah, we have our first mamey. I don't see any. You ready?
Yeah. You guys see. Yeah. Hold this. Yep, ready.
That's how you check it. You
Yeah.
ready?
Inside. It's yellow there. Friend's got a yellow spot there.
Yeah.
It's ready.
Awesome. We can one later.
Yeah. So we got two now.
Two now.
What if we go at the Dollar Tree and we find four?
Oh my god, that would be so cool.
What if we got no one if we don't want to go to the rain? Go get some food. No one wanna go in the rain.
Yeah.
Don't look for mommy, but also wanna go.
But we don't care about the rain.
Will you put this in something?
I can hold it.
Your buggy not big enough?
Well, it could fit, but my one day, it's like, see my hand now? Like a rub off. I hold it.
Wanna buy again?
Credit.
Want another one?
Oh, nice.
Let's keep on with one.
All the ones I see are crushed up. There are so many mameys on this tree. I don't even know what to compare it with, but it tastes delicious. I think this one good too.
No. It's kind of good on the outside, but yeah, it's not. Let's go.
Wow. It tastes nice. Sweet. I'm feeling this one. It's nice. Nice. Ratty said, don't eat it. Come in. Oh, that's nice.
Are you scared?
Ain't no scared.
Oh, so come on.
Oh, I see one there. You see?
It's right? Oh,
Ooh. Oh, I can pull it.
yeah, grab it. Got it?
Yeah. Yay! Got more things.
Jessica.
Star apple.
Jessica.
Huh? More.
I'm gonna try to get it.
So we're here and we're looking for some. This don't look strong at all. Oh my god, I can't even watch this kid.
I think it looks strong for you, man.
We have mamey, we have star apple, we have plantain. What else we have? Oh, we got two. That's good.
We got three.
Oh, three.
Yeah. Ball. Look at that limb. I need to tell Kopi. I need to tell him so he can come up here and cut that limb off.
Which one?
That big limb over there. That's full of star apples.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make him come and cut that limb off. Chop it
Chop,
up.
chop.
Yeah, we need to come back up here and get these ones. Got there.
Take shortcut.
Got those vines.
This is slippery here.
No. Taking out my trousers.
No, give me. I hold it.
No.
Look,
It can
it
go.
has space. Alright.
While I walk, it will go down.
Ooh.
You gotta slide and let your foot in there. I'm gonna get another slide. Yeah, I told you. Slide off in there.
Mm-hmm. Baby goats are cute. We need more hands. We have so much. Anyway, I wrap it up in my banana leaf umbrella because it's actually a little stainy. Come in. Come in, come in.
This one. This one like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's close.
River.
Yeah.
River.
River. Yeah, don't know if we pick them up.
Yes.
River mommy.
Yeah.
And what river?
Eh?
I found them right on the river.
By the river. It's a lot.
On the river?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right on the river, son. You found it. No, yeah, water.
Oh, me hear nothing now again. Like no last, man.
Yeah!
Like no last.
1 second, Jessica.
Alright, my people, it's time for a shower. Yeah. Shower time. Oh! Oh. No. Just a lizard. False alarm. I just saw something crawling. I'm like, what is this? It was a lizard. No problem. I have no problem with lizards. Yes, no problem with lizards. Alright, let's see if there's water. Nice! 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 I don't need to go down to the river. Alright, people? I'll catch you after the shower. Ciao.
Hey people, thanks for watching part 1 of Uncut Country Lifestyle at Mokko's Yard. I will upload the rest of today's vlog in a couple of days, where you will see how Mokko prepares a delicious eggplant dish. So hit the notification bell so you won't miss that video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more travel and food adventures out of Jamaica.